that match against India. Now, all of a sudden, there's a group of young players coming together, right? Tamim got a 50, Mushfiq got a 50, you got a 50. I think Mashrafi got 4 wickets in that
Yes,
game.
got 4
Is
wickets.
that still among the biggest moments in Bangladesh cricket? I mean, let me tell you some. For example, beating Australia in 2005, right? I think that was just before you made the side. Ashraful got 100 there in Australia. Or was it 97 when you first qualified for a World Cup? Which are the big moments in Bangladesh cricket?
I think 97 will be obviously there because that's where the benchmark starts from.
Do you remember at all how you were so very young?
No, I never watched that game in TV. I never heard it even on the radio as well. So it was just suddenly we hearing Bangladesh won and they qualified for the World Cup and they won the ICC trophy and people are jumping around in the roads and I went with them, had fun.
Yeah.
Playing with the colors and all. So that's what I remember, but I don't remember that I watched that match. Of course, now in YouTube I can watch that match, but I never watched that match on TV or heard it on a live, radio station. It was just from someone who said, "Oh, okay, Bangladesh won the ICC trophy." So that's the moment. Obviously, I saw the one in 1999 World Cup against Pakistan.
Yes, that's a big one too.
And
yeah.
2007, I was part of the team. So, 3 biggest moment. Of course, I'll share is the one I played against India.
Yeah.
But these are the 3 I think most significant win we could ever think of.
It's interesting that recently Tamim Iqbal was quoted as saying that when Bangladesh played India in the 2007 World Cup, a lot of you were very young. Even Mashrafi, I think, had only played 2-3 years by then. A lot of you were very young. And they said right in front, there's Tendulkar, there's Dravid, and there's a sense of awe almost of playing against these big guys. Did that happen to you as well? Because you came in at a crucial moment and you scored a very mature half century.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, we are staying in a same hotel we are staying in. So during lunchtime or dinner time, we tend to, walking past through Sachin or Dada, because we speak Bengali. So Dada used to say a few words again to us. So and we saw Rahul Dravid, Sehwag, all the biggest star of the game that we grew up watching, and suddenly we'll be playing against them. It was like, what's happening? And I think me, Mushfiq and Tamim, we didn't have even a year of international cricket by then. So we just played, I think, 5 to 10 ODI matches before we played the World Cup. So it was like a dream that's going through on our mind. We were just enjoying the moments. Obviously, the perfect stage was because we are in West Indies. The beauty of West Indies, we all know. So that kept us, little relaxed mode. So that helped. But we are dreaming that we are just happy to play against them, because if I talk about 1998, 1999, when I was a young kid, wearing half pants all the time, going to someone's house to watch a match, playing India versus Pakistan, India versus Sri Lanka, Pakistan versus Sri Lanka. These are the big rivalries, and we used to watch all those games. So it was like a dream that we are living in that moment.
Do you sometimes get worked up when people say Bangladesh upset somewhere? You think that stage is long gone?
No, now, to be honest, most of them doesn't believe in those, upstate word. So a lot of people now says, okay, Bangladesh is a formidable team now. They have been doing well for last 2-3 years or 4-5 years, and now it's not a surprising sight for a people for someone to see Bangladesh winning against any other team, especially in ODI.
So that was the game in the West Indies. You got 110 wickets in a test match. But I suspect the Australia match would be better, right? 10 wickets in a game against Australia. And you got 84 in that game?
Yes, I think 84 or 87, something like that in the first innings, and 5 wickets each, I think, in the second innings. Yes, that gave us a lot of confidence. And to be honest, we are never, no one really think of us a test playing country. But beating England and Australia, now people see us in a different way. As long as you are winning test match against big countries, or you are winning the World Cup or playing the final of the World Cup, they don't, look at you in that way. So that was a huge milestone for us. Obviously, the Prime Minister was there to witness the match against Australia. So
she likes her cricket, doesn't she?
Yes. So you can
She likes
imagine
cricket.
how excited we were, to win that match, because whole country wanted us to win against Australia, because it was time for us to perform in test level, at least at home. Still, I think we have a long way to go, when we go overseas, but at home now, I think we have a team that can beat any side.